myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is delirious and mischievous and will not knowingly administer any harmful drugs. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family matters coming to my knowledge in the practice of my profession. With loyalty, I will endeavor to aid the physician in his or her work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.